sometimes you may want to define all of your variables one after the other on their own line, but you don't have to. You can define them all in the same line if you want to, just by using the let keyword once. And we can do this as simple as anything. If we want to say that we want to have let x double and then y as well, we just have to separate it through a comma as well, and then just say basically the value here, and we can remove this just like that, and this will run exactly the same time as well. Now we are making let start is equal to point here, and we can continue to do this, and rather than just rewriting this, we can copy it as well. And as you can see, we can define these things all on the same line as well, as long as each variable declaration and initialization is all on the same line. Now I can hear you saying, what about if we want to declare a variable and we want to initialize it later? Can we still do this? Well, yes we can. So let's just make z is going to be a double, because with type inference without initialization we have to give it the type as well explicitly, and then we can turn around here and then say let's just call it middle is equal to point. It doesn't work out with z here, but let's just go along with it, and we can then run this here. And we've obviously talked about in the other videos that we can't access the information, we can't access that one variable until it has been initialized. So we could then say here point is then the middle, and I'm just going to make this stuff up, okay, it's not the middle. But so we can then compile this, and you can see that you can define variables, be it a constant, be it immutable or immutable. So we could just change this to var x, y, and z as well. That would work also, and we could change this. All of the variable declarations afterwards are all going to be of the same type, right? Whether it is be a constant or a variable. Is it going to be mutable, immutable? That's what I'm trying to say. So if we turn this to let, that means that start is immutable, end is immutable, and middle will be immutable as well. All right, so in this case, x is a variable, y is a variable, and z is a variable too. Okay. So this is basically just a quick introduction about if you want to define multiple variables on the same line, you can do that as well. Okay, with that said, I hope you've got something out of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any feedback that you have in the comment section down below. Thanks very much then, and bye-bye.